how to copy message on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy message on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any message you want, like this one. Hold on it and then click these 3 points, this one in top corner, click on it and here you will see copy. Just click on it and click here, and that's it. The message have been copied, and that's how to copy message on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.